A Delhi court has framed charges against Bharatiya Janata Party leader Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh in connection with the case of sexual harassment involving 5 female wrestlers. The court also charged him with the offence of outraging the modesty of women. The decision came after the court found substantial evidence to support the charges against Singh. Commenting on Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's letter to INDI bloc leaders on alleging discrepancies in voter turnout data, Election Commission said it is a deliberate attempt to spread confusion. It added that Kharge is attempting to push a biased narrative, saying that his letter is highly undesirable. Utterances can have negative impact on voters' participation, Election Commission further said. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has confidently asserted that the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) is poised to secure a significant victory in the upcoming election across the Northeast region. Speaking to reporters in Barakpur, West Bengal, Sarma proclaimed that BJP is expected to clinch 22 out of the 25 parliamentary seats in the Northeast. Sarma specifically highlighted the electoral landscape in Assam, expressing firm optimism about the BJP prospects. The first ever Nagaland Potato Festival was celebrated today at the local ground in Jakama, Kohima. The festival aims to celebrate Nagaland organic produce and promote the local potatoes in the state. Speaking at the event, Special Guest Commissioner of Police Dimapur Kavitoto Sopi shared the experience and process of planting and harvesting of potatoes in the paddy fields at his native village. He remarked that the southern Angamis are blessed with a bountiful nature. The Mizoram Bangsa Zwar Association, or the Beef Seller Association of Mizoram, has issued a notice to all non-Mizo beef sellers in the state without authorization to immediately stop this business of selling beef. H. Lal Mingtanga, president of the Mizo Bangsa Zwar Association, stated that beef selling has been a traditional practice for many generations in Mizoram and that non-Mizo or outsiders have recently been illegally involved in the business in many localities. Tripura police arrested 5 individuals and seized brown sugar from Agartala today when they were selling these contraband items near MBB College. Addressing the issue, officer in charge Sanjit Sen of East Agartala Police Station said a raid was conducted in Shiv Nagar and Kalyani areas of Agartala after receiving confidential information, resulting in the apprehension of 5 suspects and the confiscation of 16 grams of brown sugar. UAE Royal Sheikh Hazza bin Sultan bin Zayed Al Nahyan has passed away and he was laid to rest at the Al Bateen Cemetery, Abu Dhabi, media office confirmed. He was the son of Sheikh Sultan bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who passed away in 2019. Sheikh Hazza's age and cause of death were not disclosed.